Alright, YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video.
What's going on, YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. Hopefully you guys had a great week. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out this video. It's opening week in baseball, guys. Go White Sox. If you guys are a White Sox fan, comment down below. I like to know how many of you guys are there, and it gives me a little confidence that I'm not the only one that is struggling as a fan right now with how bad and how poor our team has been for quite some time. On to business, guys. Last week, as you remember, if you watched my video, 15 wins, 0 losses as far as signals. We increased that right off the bat on Sunday with Sunday and Monday, we got 5 wins, made it to 20 wins in a row, and then we ultimately finished our trading week with 14 wins, 2 losses, and great success on signals. I'm going to show you guys the Excel sheet in a second here. Actually, I'm going to pull that up right now. It's been come to my knowledge, and it's a pretty big announcement, and I'm very happy as far as in terms of G-Trade and how it's growing. M4 Research, I've had quite a bit of customers come to me saying that they came from their site, and you know, they learned about me from there, and you know, I'm happy to announce that we are on their website, and they are really ecstatic, and I've had some higher members up there message me and say that they put me in touch with the owner, the CEO of that company, and they have been shedding our name out there because I've gotten quite a bit of customers coming from them. So shout out to M4 Research, and if you guys don't know what they're all about, I'm going to pull up their website, but I'm going to link their link in the description as well. Such a great place to go in terms of money, right? They come up with different money options, ways you can make money off your money, in whether it be investing, or they have different ways to enhance and make your money. So they have cash flow strategies, proven money growing and money saving resources. They do investments, wealth building, lifestyle guidance, and I'm very happy to be a part of them, and I look forward to building some success off of them. And so go ahead, check their website out as well. They have a free newsletter that they do. They also are very cheap, and you can get a plethora of knowledge for different money-making opportunities for you to do what everyone is trying to do, and that's grow wealth and make your life easier so you don't have to work so hard. All right. On to signals. Like I said, my spreadsheet, 60 wins, 11 losses on the month, trading at 84%. Now, I can't stress that we're sending 71 trades on the month. The reason I can, because, you know, that is trades that we actually had our money out there. Whether it be making us money or losing us money, we were actually filled in the market. There's a lot of stuff on the internet. If you guys actually pay attention to it, there's people that say, oh, I'm going to send you 5-10 trades, you know, you're going to pay $400 and I'm going to send you 5. But then they say later in the video that, oh, I sent this, but then only 2 of them filled. And then they show you calculations based off of that. So, you know, kind of take your blinders off, open your eyes, and really listen to what people are telling you, because it's just goofy out there. But 71 trades filled in the market. Now, I only charge $100 for this. And honestly, any education that we have, my 5-minute course, my hourly course, you know, it comes with signals. Right now, my 5-minute and hourly combo course, which you get everything in one, is on sale. And actually, if you buy that version, you're actually saving $100 in price. And you're also getting 2 months of signals. I can't stress how many times I've said this, is we're trying to help you pay for your education. Giving you tools that you can use for a lifetime to build your bank account, to build an ADEX, to build overall wealth for yourself and your family. And we're giving that to you at a low price, and we're trying to help you pay for it with our work and not yours. All you have to do is follow the directions, push some buttons, and let us earn money for you. All right. On the screen behind me, you can see the results: 14-2, 60 wins, 11 losses, 84 on the month. All right. Now, if you were to just buy my signals course, my monthly signals. Oh, and by the way, it's free for 3 days. So if you want to check out my signals and you just want to check it out, but you don't want to pay, it's free for 3 days on my website. But if you wanted to take the ride and invest the little $100 that we're asking for, $100 divided by the 71 market trades, and I can't stress that market, that means we're actually in the market. I'm not charging you for, I'm not pulling numbers for anything that we sent that didn't get filled, so that way my numbers look cheaper. I'm just talking about the trades that we actually got filled for. $100 a month divided by the 71 trades gives us a total of $1.40 per signal that is of value, in other words, filled in the market. $1.40. Super cheap. A bag of chips costs less than that. So think about that. You could either buy a bag of chips or you can get some wealthy signals. All right. Shout out to Bujar Bega. He literally just bought my 5-minute hourly course as I'm making this video. It's ironic because I was just talking about that. Shout out to him. Actually, I've been talking to him for about a week now. He's eager to learn and I'm eager to teach. So, hey, Bujar, hey, thanks a lot, man. Semper Fi. I know you're a Marine. Semper Fidelis, Devil Dog. That's it for me. I'm going to get off the mic. I feel like I've been talking too long. I apologize for that. I don't really like to talk that much. Just so happens it happens. In this video, guys, ahead, I got some trades from our Signal Week. I got another video coming out tomorrow. Stay tuned for that to show you how you can still trade on the weekend, even when the market's closed. So look out for that. I'm going to drop that one tomorrow. Smash the like button. Subscribe. Oh, and last thing before I leave, I'm trying to get my subscriber count up. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away my hourly and 5-minute course to 3 random subscribers for free. So if you guys can help me build my subscriber count, you get a chance to get my most popular course set up for free. That's it for me, guys. Have a great day. Look forward to my video tomorrow. And all of you guys, trade safe.